It's sort of the most powerful car I've driven.
Quick, catch the M2. No, the M2. Follow him. Go. So, Bradley's driving this car today, which is quite nerve-wracking for me. He's terrified every time I put my foot down. So this is going to be fun. If this makes it into the video, I'll be very surprised. I need to get some petrol and then I'm going to his and then he's going to poo himself, I assume. So we'll see you then.
Last year, this car ran the quarter-mile sprint in 16.3 seconds. 14. Fuck! This car ran the quarter-mile sprint in 14.3 seconds. 6 months ago, it got remapped to approximately 260 brake horsepower, and today, we're taking it for a drive. I do have to say this car has been in quite a few videos already and you're probably sick to death of it, but you haven't seen me drive it and you haven't seen it with the remap. I've got a nice detailed sheet of everything to do with this car and I'm going to read out the most exciting parts. There's nothing exciting about the car, sorry guys, we're going to have to end the video here. Great sarcasm. As you can see, even though it says 65, it's rolled off the production line on the 21st of January 2016. There's been a bit of a debate between us two about the colour of this car. Yes, it's called volcanic orange, but this is yellow and this is volcanic orange. There's not much of a difference if you compare like this car to a Focus ST, which is orange. This is all 2018, 2017 banter that we used to have. So this car is volcanic orange. Before it was mapped, as you've seen in a previous video, this car was running 192 brake horsepower. 207 foot-pound of torque. Foot-pound, not newton meters, okay? Now, it's since had a remap, which you guys also saw on a video. He hasn't had it dynoed yet. He still hasn't, and it's been 6 months. It's approximately 260 brake horsepower. 295 foot-pound of torque. And there's a load of other stuff on here, with it being the BMW B48 engine, which is the same as the new Toyota Supra, for anyone interested. Is that what they're called? Tentacle alloys.
Tentacle alloys. Tentacle alloys.
John Cooper Works, rear spoiler for that downforce, all of that exciting extra stuff, which you guys are going to see much more of that sat nav very soon. Now that all the boring stuff's out of the way, let's go for a drive. See you later, mate. I had a fat burnout just to piss me. He can't hear me. I had a really big wheel spin. He'll hate me so much for that. Should I do it? Should I do it? Should I do it? No, I won't do it. He'll get angry and I don't want that.
Ruin. I've already started it up, but I'm starting it up again. Oh, everything's odd. Everything's to the right slightly. Oh, well, we changed it into sport mode.
If you want.
We changed it into sport mode. Sport mode. Maximum Rice Krispie mode. This is the newest car that I've been in. Newest car that I've driven, sorry. It's sort of the most powerful car I've driven. Whoa. The pedal is very responsive already. Everything feels really stiff. It's a good thing. Like the steering wheel is, like there's like, I mean there's that, but it's like stiff when you do that. Does that make sense? Well, I'm in fifth at the moment, and if I just touch the steering wheel, touch the accelerator, this is a little missile when I haven't put my foot down now. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. It automatically downshifts.
Rev matches.
That's the one. Rev matches. This is quick. It's not loud enough though, I want to be able to hear it. That's so quick. Oh my god. This is like the Clio, but a bit stiffer with a fuckload more power. I want to just go through all the gears, but I can't. It's like second, red line, change into third, you're already at about 100 miles an hour. Right, it's in fourth. Oh no. Launch it?
Yeah, go on.
Pop, 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 pop. Oh my god. Third gear. Third gear is where all that power was at.
M2. Follow the M2. Quick, catch the M2. Go with the M2. Follow him. Go.
Going!
He's fucking gone.
Oh my god, man, this car just shakes about the place.
I braked it.
Fucking hell. Oh, brakes.
Sort of there. Piss him off. Just got it. Oh, fucking hell. That's gonna really piss him off.
That scared me. Not gonna lie.
I'm not overtaking it.
That was risky.
Sounds good.
So I was just watching him. I didn't know how fast I was going until you look at road, obviously. Yeah, that was quick. Oh, I'm sweating so much. Good job I put a jumper on, otherwise there'd be sweat patches everywhere.
How does that compare to every other car you've driven on the channel so far?
Okay, being serious now, when I do this in another car, I can feel the car and I know what the car feels like. But because this just has so much power, I put my foot down and then I have to stop again because of the power. It does wobble about a lot as well. I think you need to take this on a track. It's quick.
Estimated 260 brake horsepower. Feels very quick. It's weighing approximately 1,300 kilos, which is light for a car with 260 brake horsepower, which makes it so quick and so shit scary to drive or to be a passenger in. It's planted round corners, but as soon as it starts to wobble, it's gonna continue wobbling, it's just gonna go. So that's when you need to let off the throttle. It does wobble quite easily. In funness to drive, I don't know, I'm lost for words. I don't know how to explain this car. It's quick and it feels like it should be my car if it was stiffer. Because this is stiffer than my car, but it's also smaller, so it's a bit more wobbly. Hard to explain, I don't know. It's quicker than the R32 I drove. It's quicker, I think it is the quickest car I've driven. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to smash that like button if you want some more of these videos. I've got a Renault, is it a Clio? 197.
No idea, because no one tells me nothing.
Clio or Megane? I think it's a Clio.
It'd be a Megane 197. Is that what the guy said the other day?
No, it's a slightly newer one. I've got a 197, if that's a Clio or Megane, I don't know, coming onto the channel, which we might be filming next week, by the way.
Okay.
Oh, I need to confirm it.
Thank you for telling me.
It's alright. Yeah, so subscribe for that, hit the notification bell for that. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you again very soon. Thanks for watching, bye.